welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Dhanolti with my mother. You're not going to see me in any of the videos much because I'm too camera shy. Sorry. Now let's just get ready and I'll see you in Dhanolti. You can see the clouds so close from up here. I wanted to, just pluck them out and eat them. And a quick reminder, if you're heading to Dhanolti too, remember to take a full sleeves jacket, especially for the kids, because it's too cold there. So basically, Dhanolti is a hill station located in the foothills of the Garhwal Mountains. It's based about 25 kilometers here from Mussoorie, which is a famous hill station where the author Ruskin Bond lives. It falls on the road from Mussoorie to Chamba. To get there from Dehradun, take the road which goes towards Mussoorie, which is a bit steep and normally has a lot of traffic in it. Do remember not to enter Mussoorie, but take the bypass towards Dhanolti. Because it's a tourist spot, we didn't exactly go to the main side because it was too crowded and we didn't go there. We also did a photography session, and by we, I mean my mother. She doesn't know when to stop. बिल्कुल safe है यहाँ पे. Even though we didn't go to the main site, we found a little spot tucked out of the way where no one was. It The view was amazing. It looked like it was from some foreign country like New Zealand, Switzerland, or Norway, but I knew it was from our India. This is the way down the mountain. My mother wanted to go, of course, but apparently heights creep her house. Look what I found. It's a mushroom. If you're looking for a way out of the city noise and spend a few days of peace, the Nolte is the perfect place to go to. It is encompassed by lush green hills and fine trees.
Myself, I should forget, 'cause you're not thinking of me. But we talk.
Now we're heading back because it's getting a bit crowded. It was an amazing experience going to the Nolte. I am definitely going to visit again.
I still don't know what happened. I know we're over.
Bye. See you later. By the way, that's me in the red.